did you know that you could have watched this video early and ad-free if you had become a member of my Patreon? How do you do that? I'm glad you asked. It's very simple. Head over to patreon.com/Marvin Francois, where you can get early, ad-free, and exclusive access to my content way before the general public does here on my YouTube channel. That's patreon.com/Marvin Francois. And if you're too lazy to type it up there, don't worry. I'll leave a link to the website in the description below. Patreon.com/Marvin Francois. Looking forward to seeing you on the other side. But until then, peace from the Middle East and enjoy the video. Let's go.
There's one more I wanted to tap on, of course, before we close this thing out. And it kind of, I don't want to say works hand in hand with collections, but typically whenever somebody comes to me with collections, they usually talk about, let's talk about charge-offs. I get people from time to time, of course, that deal with charged off accounts on their credit report that they want to be able to get removed. How can we go about navigating consumer law mastery to deal with accounts like that?
So charge-off is that cousin nobody want to talk about.
Yeah.
They're there, but so all right. With charge-offs, it's basically the creditor saying, "I've given up on you. I'm not collecting on this anymore.
And they write it off.
I'm gonna write it off, right? But the IRS says, for amounts that are written off over $600, they need to send you your 1099-C. It's a cancellation of debt.
Okay.
Now, between $1 and $599, they don't have to send it to you. But after 600 or more, the IRS says they must send it to you. You must get that 1099-C. When you get that 1099-C, it's a cancellation of debt. And now you're supposed to file that with your taxes. So if I got a charge off in this year, by February 1st of next year, and my charge off is more than $600, the company has to send me my 1099-C. I need to file that with my taxes as earned income because it's realized as income in the IRS eyes. So income doesn't get reported on your consumer reports, right?
Right.
So if I got my 1099-C and I filed it as income, how is it being reported as a debt?
Say that again. 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 Make sure, because I want to make sure they heard you. Say that again. Run that back. Run that back. Run that back.
The IRS says if the amount is $600 or more, they have to send it to you. They must send it. They must send you your 1099-C, your cancellation of debt, right? So if I get my 1099-C now, I have to get it, I have to file it by, they need to send it by February 1st so I can file it with my taxes before the tax season is up.
Right.
It's realized as earned income. Earned income.
Right.
Income does not get reported on your consumer reports.
Facts.
So if I file it as income, the status of the account has changed.
Right.
It's not debt anymore.
Right.
It is income.
Right.
I filed my taxes.
And then from there, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. So if it's income, that's an inaccurate account.
Boom. And when and as we know, as it pertains to FCRA, anything that's inaccurate, got to take it off my credit report.
So there's a section that speaks about maximum accuracy of the consumer report.
Hopefully, you remember it. You know, I'm ready to go. You know, I keep it on me.
I think it's the 15 USC 1681. Type in 1681 and then let me see your phone. I'll be able to find it from there. 15. It's a lot trying to keep up with all of these.
Yeah,
laws,
I don't. First though, you like a Rolodex. I don't know how he does it, ladies and gentlemen. I really and truly don't know how he does it. I couldn't do it. I don't remember what I had for breakfast this morning, and that says a lot. All right, but this man got just a Rolodex of all these laws, and
I'm gonna give you all the sauce right now.
Goodness gracious.
Compliance and procedure.
Take your time, brother.
I got it.
So what am I reading?
So go up to the top.
Identity and purposes of credit users.
No, so 15 USC.
So this is 15 USC 1681E compliance procedures.
Go down to accuracy.
Let me see, accuracy of report, right? All right, so this is B, right? This is whenever a consumer reporting agency prepares a consumer report, it shall follow reasonable procedures to assure maximum possible accuracy of the information concerning the individual about whom the report relates.
Yep. So If now the status has changed, what you're reporting is inaccurate. So how are you going to maintain maximum accuracy with an incorrect item? Delete it.
Take that thing off.